हेलो फ्रेंड्स, वेलकम बैक टू माय यूट्यूब चैनल स्टडी एंड अचीव। मैं आपके लिए 1 से लेके 50 तक क्वेश्चंस करा चुकी थी। इसका इंग्लिश वर्जन यूपी पीजीटी साइकोलॉजी प्रीवियस पेपर। आज मैं 51 से स्टार्ट करूँगी और सॉरी कल के लिए मैं आपके लिए वीडियो नहीं डाल पाई, बट डोंट वरी, संडे को आप लोगों के लिए 2 वीडियो इम्पॉर्टेंट वीडियो आने वाली हैं, तो आप वेट करिए। चलिए हम ये वाला स्टार्ट करते हैं। 51, According to Atkinson's theory, the tendency to approach an achievement task is a function of. इसका क्या राइट आंसर होगा? The motive for success, the subjective probability of success on the task, the initiative value of reaching the goal. The right answer is D, all of the above. Question number 52. Which of the following is correctly arranged? कौन सा करेक्टली अरेंज है? इनकोडिंग, स्टोरेज, रिट्राइवल। ये मैंने आपको मेमोरी में पढ़ाया था। क्वेश्चन नंबर 53। ट्रांसफर रिफर्स टू द ट्रांसफर ऑफ नॉलेज, ट्रेनिंग एंड हैबिट्स एक्वायर इज वन सिचुएशन टू अनदर। हु सेड? ये किसने कहा था? सोरेसन ने। द फिल्टर थ्योरी वॉज प्रपोज्ड बाई। फिल्टर थ्योरी किसके द्वारा प्रपोज की गई है? ब्रॉडबैंड द्वारा। 55. An employee gives importance to respect instead of salary. Which motivation is dominant in him? The right answer is intrinsic motivation, B. Question number 56. The characteristics is assessed by exploring correspondence of test scores for some क्रिटिएशंस लाइक बिहेवियर, पर्सनल अकम्पलिशमेंट, ETC मतलब एक्स्ट्रा। क्या क्या चीज़ें होंगी? रिलायबिलिटी। द राइट आंसर इज रिलायबिलिटी। 57. हु प्रपोज्ड जनरल फैक्टर थ्योरी? हु प्रपोज्ड? चार्ल्स स्पीयरमैन। 58. हु डिस्टिंग्विश्ड बिटवीन इंफॉर्मेशन प्रोसेस कंपोनेंट्स एंड मेटा कंपोनेंट्स? द राइट आंसर इज स्टर्नबर्ग, B. 59. The sum total of ways in which an individual reacts to and interacts with other is known as. The right answer is personality. Question number 60. Measurement of intelligence in population produce a bell-shaped distribution. What is called? It is called normal curve. 61. Factual accuracy of an observation despite. The right answer is validity. 62. Which test use a statistical procedure called factor analysis? 16. Personality factor questionnaire. 63. The assertion that organisms are motivated to act because of need to re-establish balance illustrated. The right answer is biological drives immunize behavior. 64. In psychoanalytic theory, this disorder is described as resulting for an overly demanding superego. The right answer is depression. In this type of disorder, fear are principal sign. Anxiety disorder. 66. Secondary group are representative of. The right answer is D. Cold world. 67. What is indicated by self-fulfilling prophecy effect in test administration? Testers' expectations, B. 68. This methods take the help of psychology of evaluating application. The right answer is clinical. 69. In this method of selection, the employee of the same level administrator the employment test and interviews. The right answer 360-degree selection program. 70. Stress-illness relationship can be best understood with reference to the following. The right answer is psychological variables, social variables, environmental variables. D. All of the above. 71. Fragmentation in employee job in the industry cases the non-utilization of capacities. Which model is supported by the statement? Which model? Self-actualized man in industry. 72. Who formed the expectancy theory of motivation? Who found? The right answer is Bloom. 73. The test is an instrument that records changes in breathing, blood pressure and pulse. The right answer is polygraph test. 74. Where diploma course for guidance is run? Where run? National Council of Educational Research and Training. 75. What is the enduring characteristics of a person in which he and she differs from the another? The right answer is trait. 76. Which type of memory consists of memory lane? The right answer is episodic. 77. Which self-concept is made up of perceptions involved in aspiration of person to be? The right answer B. Ideal self-concept. 78. For conditioning to occur, the proper order for event is? The right answer is CS, US and UR. Which experiment studies about the functions of usual attention? The right answer is Manson's disk. 80. Which psychologist propounded classical conditional learning? The right answer is Pavlov. आप देख रहे हैं कि मैं आपको जो मेमोरी चैप्टर पढ़ाया था उससे कितने सारे क्वेश्चन आपको मिल रहे हैं। तो अगर अभी तक आपने उसे नहीं देखा है तो आप उसे देख लीजिए, समझ लीजिए, और उससे रिलेटेड कुछ क्वेश्चन भी कराए हैं वो भी आप देख सकते हैं। 81. Which of the following according to Skinner is shaped and maintained by its consequence? The right answer is behavior. 82. This is an example of which types of reinforcement a student may be rewarded for every correct answer. The right answer is continuous reinforcement. 83. Problems that require a common object to be used in an unusual way may be difficult to solve because of functional fixedness. At 84. What was the name of the intelligence chimpanzee in Kohler's experiment? This name is Sultan. Which is this type of transfer of learning where general aspects of learning from one situation can be used in another situation? The right answer is non-specific. 86. Protection from physical and emotional harms belongs to which category of hierarchy of need theory? The right answer is security. These tests are designed to identify some of the character patterns. The right answer is personality. 88. Who developed intelligence test score for preschool children? The right answer is Garfinkel and Thorndike. 89. Who said intelligence is an adaptive process that involves an interaction of biological maturations and the environment? The right answer is Piaget. How is IQ measured in the Wechsler's adult intelligence test? The right answer is standard deviation. फ्रेंड्स, आज के लिए बस इतना ही, और मैं कोशिश करूँगी कि जल्दी इसका पूरा वीडियो कंप्लीट कर दूँ। तो आप मेरे साथ बने रहिए। अगर अभी तक इस चैनल को सब्सक्राइब नहीं किया है तो प्लीज़ सब्सक्राइब करिए, लाइक करिए और अपने दोस्तों तक शेयर करिए।